Hey LinkedIn friends, it's John again, welcome back. So I'm talking to you from near my office, our headquarters for Legrand Cabinets and Containment, which is really close to New York City, some of the most expensive real estate in the world. What really is the most expensive real estate in the world? I would contend it's where we work, inside the data center. If we took a look at the construction, operation, and maintenance costs of a Tier 3 or Tier 4 mission critical data center, and if you mathematically worked back to what it costs to build and maintain just one RU of rack space, there's no doubt in my mind the space occupied by a data center cabinet 2 feet wide and 4 feet deep is arguably the most expensive real estate on the planet. If we're building real estate that costs that much money and putting hundreds of thousands of dollars of mission critical IT equipment into that space, does it make sense to neglect the cabinet that the equipment's going into and how we're going to manage the environment that ensures the continuous, uninterrupted operation of the applications in that data center? I don't think so. How about you? What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments here. We'll try to address them in the next video. Thanks very much. See you next time.